So he was felt a special interest in a fellow student Melvia Meris. इसका एक इंटरेस्ट आया अपनी फेलो स्टूडेंट के अंदर जो उसके साथ पढ़ती थी मेलविया, whom he found to be a clever creature. उसको वो बहुत अच्छी लगती थी. This young Serb had come to Switzerland because the university in Zurich was one of the few in Europe where women could get degrees. क्योंकि यूनिवर्सिटी वो अपनी सर्ब जगह थी, वहाँ से छोड़ के she came to Switzerland because University of Zurich एक ऐसी जगह थी जहाँ पे यूरोप में विमेन को डिग्रीज मिलती थी और कहीं डिग्रीज पढ़ाने की नहीं मिला करती थी. Einstein saw in her an ally against the Philistines, those people in his family and at the university with whom he was constantly at odds. Now, a word used disapprovingly to talk about people who did not like art, literature, and music. Now, this girl was something who was really an ally of him, ally as in a friend of him, who used to match his ideas about philanthropy, about art, about culture. And she was not a Philistine. That means she was not at odds. वो दोनों की दिमाग की सारी ideas मिलते जुलते लगे उसको. The couple fell in love. Letters survive in which they put their affections into word. बहुत सारे letters मिले हैं जिसमें उन दोनों का प्यार नजर आया है. Mixing science with tenderness, wrote Einstein, how happy and proud I shall be when we both have brought our work on relativity to a victorious conclusion. उसने science को और affection को, he has mixed it together in how scientifically he is explaining his love. As he wrote in a letter, कितने खुश होंगे हम लोग, कितने proud होंगे जब हम लोग अपने relativity को एक साथ जोड़ लेंगे. In 1900, at the age of 21, Einstein was a university graduate and unemployed. Graduate तो हो गया था लेकिन काम नहीं था. He worked as a teaching assistant, gave private lessons and finally secured a job in 1902. 1902 के अंदर उसको job मिली and he used to give as a teaching assistant classes. As a technical expert in the patent office in Bern. Technical expert बना वो Bern के अंदर. While he was supposed to be assessing other people's inventions. उसको बाकी लोगों की invention जो लोग करते थे उनको check करता था ये. Einstein was actually developing his own ideas in secret. जब वो बाकी लोगों के काम को देख रहा था और assess कर रहा था कि how is it okay or correct or not, उस समय वो अपने खुद के ideas को और खुद के नए ideas को of science he was secretly developing. He is said to have jokingly called his desk drawer at the work the Bureau of Theoretical Physics. उसके desk का जो drawer था उसको खुद कहा करता था मजाक के अंदर Bureau of Theoretical Physics. इसके अंदर सब कुछ ब्यौरा है मेरा theoretical चीजों का, like of totally physics and science. Like its table was full of scientific things. One of the famous papers in 1905 was Einstein's special theory of relativity, according to which time and distance are not absolute. उसने relativity theory दी जिसमें बताया time और distance equal नहीं है. Indeed, two perfectly accurate clocks will not continue to show the same time if they come together again after a journey. अगर एक journey में भेज दिया जाए तो दोनों clock same time नहीं दिखाएंगी. If one of them has been moving very fast related to other, अगर एक दूसरी से तेज चल रही हो तो. From the followed, the world's most famous formula came which describes the relationship between mass and energy. This is the explanation of mass and energy's formula which he formulated. In this mathematical equation, E stands for energy, E is for energy, and M for mass. Whereas C for the speed of the light in a vacuum, and C is the speed in light in vacuum. When you sit with a nice girl for 2 hours, it seems like 2 minutes. When you sit on a hot stove for 2 minutes it seemed like 2 hours. That is relativity. उसकी एक आइडिया था कि अगर आप किसी अच्छी लड़की के साथ 2 घंटे बैठोगे तो आपको लगेगा जैसे 2 मिनट ही बैठे, बट अगर आप गर्म तवे के ऊपर 2 मिनट बैठोगे तो ऐसा लगेगा कि 2 घंटे बैठ गए. दिस इज द थ्योरी ऑफ रिलेटिविटी फॉर हिम. ओके.